Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, I can put into cosine 4x to the power of 4 and cosine 4x. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosine as squared plus sine as squared equals to number 1. Now, this one we can put into cosine 4x squared to the power of 2. So I will put this one go to the right, and we have cosine as squared equals to 1 minus sine as squared. So I need to change this one into this one. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine 4x. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 4 cosine 4x dx. Because we don't have number 4, so we need to divide both sides by number 4 in here. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when s equal to number 0 from here, so I will put number 0 on here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 0 when s equals to b over 8. So I will put b over 8 go in here, and you got about u equals to number 1. So number 0 we keep the same. B over 8 we change by number 1. This one we change by u. This one we change by du over number 4. So this one we need to expand. Three over 4 I will put outside. Next, we have the formula in here. So the integration of number 1, we have u. The integration of u squared, so we can apply in here. So we change n equals to number 2. So 2 plus 1, that is about number 3. And number 3 in here. The next one, we have number 5. Later that, we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. And now we have the final answer. So we have 2 over 5. This is the end. Thank you for watching.